All right, so here I am at NearPod.com, and I'm going to click on Sign Up for Free. And to sign up, I'm going to use my Google account. So I'll click on Sign Up with Google. All right, now I'm signed up. Time to create an activity. I'm going to hover my mouse over Create. I'll click on Create, and I'll click on Lesson. And we're going to make a quick and simple lesson here with one slide, one collaborate board, one free response question, and one poll, and that's it. I will first title my lesson, Example Lesson, and let's create some slides and activities. Add slide, and I'll choose slide. I'll make a brief welcome slide. Welcome. Done. Save and exit. Okay. Next, I'm going to create a collaborate board just like we did before. Add slide. I'll click on Activities, and I'll choose Collaborate Board. I will choose a theme. Let's go with black and white. The topic will be Query 1. Please write your responses. Save. Great. Now let's create a free response question. Activities, open-ended question. What is your answer? Great. Save. And last but not least, let's create a poll. Add slide, activity, poll. What is your answer? A, B, C, D. Save. Great. We've created a NearPod activity in 2 minutes. Let's save and exit. And then let's run this activity and look at the student and teacher experience at the same time. To run this activity live, for instance during a Zoom class, let's hover our mouse over the activity and click on Live Participation. Now I'm going to drag my screen so that we have the teacher view, which will be on the left always, and the student view, which will be on the right. Students can either go to join.nearpod.com and type in this code, BZ63D, and then they will be prompted to type in their name and click on Join Lesson. You may also choose as the teacher to take the link, copy the link, or perhaps drop it in a Zoom chat, or the students can copy it and put it into their web browser. And then everything looks the same. They'll enter their name. Okay, for the teacher, I'm going to click away. You can see the student screen here on the right, the teacher screen here on the left. Notice for the teacher, they can click on this icon here to see all the students that are currently in the room. All right, now I'm going to navigate to each activity and we'll see what the teacher sees and the student sees. This is a collaborate board. Would you like to approve student comments before they're posted? I'm going to click on No in this case. Clicking yes means you must approve them before they show up. So I'm going to click on No, and then I'm going to quickly put in some responses on the student side, and you'll see them populate on the teacher view as well. So you can see what the students see and what the teacher sees. The teacher can see the student names. For the students, they cannot see the student names, only the responses to the text-based question. All right, let's go to the free response. I click on Next on the teacher screen, and it automatically moves the students along. Again, I'm going to fast forward and respond here on the student side, and I invite you to see what things look like on the teacher view as they do this. So we can see on the teacher side, you have participation rate, how many students have responded. You can see the student names and their answers. If you'd like to push out a response to all students, we'll click on Share, and we see that that response is pushed out to all student screens anonymously, so students cannot see who responded in this way. Let's go to the poll. Again, I'm going to take some time to quickly respond to this poll as 3 different students, and let's see what things look like on the teacher side. Okay, so we can see on the teacher's perspective, we can see exactly how each student responded, and we get a class breakdown. When the teacher so chooses, if they'd like to press Share, it sends to each student the class breakdown and shows them their answers. Okay, we're done with the activity. So I'm going to click here on this NearPod icon up top, and I'll click on End Session. Yes, I'll end the session. You can see that the session has ended for the students. For me, the teacher, to access those results later, let's click on Reports. And in Reports, you will see any of your previous NearPod sessions, including the one we just did, Example Lesson. I'll click on that. If you'd like to rename it, you can. So maybe this is English Class Tuesday, what have you. But clicking on this name will reveal the results. You can see student participation. You can click under Poll to see the poll results. You can click on Open-Ended to see any open-ended question responses. You can click on the Collaborate board in order to access the Collaborate board. Clicking on either of these will open up that Collaborate board again, and you can see all of those student responses. You can even click on Share and grab the link, copy it, and send this to your students to view later. When they click on that, they will see all of the ideas, but again, not the student names. Last but not least, you can download this report as a PDF by the whole session or as a student view. And that's really, really helpful for reviewing responses later. Okay, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you enjoyed.